It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. A new month, a new start. Now, today is 55th question of the day, and today I will be discussing regarding geometry and mensuration circle properties questions, right? Because past few years there are few questions in ESE and there are few questions in all the other PSU examinations, right? This year, why I am stressing more on general aptitude means, apart from your GATE, all the remaining examinations are also around the GATE date examination, right? HPCL, DRDO, right? SSC, JE, right? So please do try to focus on this subject, get maximum with minimum effort, right? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself, right? This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE, right? Now, many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when I choose over plus iconic over plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a coach. How this coach will be helpful? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and your educator, so that you can speak with them, right, personally about your difficulties facing, so where you will get the best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage is personalized test analysis, right? Each and every test will be analyzed, your mistakes are identified and they are rectified so that your score will be boosted. This is what students need right now to crack with best rank. Most of the students complain me this, sir, we have done the entire syllabus, but we are not able to apply the things there, but we are not able to solve the questions there. This is where your coach and educator will be helpful for you. Your mistakes will be fine-tuned, and automatically your subject will be streamlined. You can score more in the examination and get the best rank. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, finally to me, and you will get 10% off. After 10% discount, the price will be 53,737. For 12 months, the price will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10. This is for 18 months. Coming to iconic, yes, whatever I have explained you in the previous slides, you will get all the features. Plus, you will be getting printed notes prepared by topmost educators in India. These are the prices there, and on these prices, you will be getting 10% off when you use my code NLN10. So do try to subscribe to Iconic, my referral code NLN10, and come under my guidance then, our group guidance. Right? Yes, chalo, let's start the questions here. More. So let's come to the question. This is the question. So I will solve this question. From next question, I will be giving you 2 minutes to understand the question. Try, put your pen on the paper, and then correct yourself when you have gone wrong. Or let us discuss the procedure, right? Whether you are best or me, I am dealing the best procedure. Okay. Observe the question carefully. First of all, in the figure given below, O is the center of the circle with radius 5 centimeter. Radius is given as 5 centimeter. Length of AB is equal to length of AC, it seems. What is the question asked? Angle BDC is 40 degrees. Then angle CEB is the question asked. Chalo, let's draw the line segments first of all. So angle, side AB and AC are same, it seems here. Okay. So these are equal sides, fine. Again, angle BDC is given as, so this is BDC. I will take note like this. Now this angle is given as 40 degrees, it seems. Okay. Now what is the question asked? Angle CEB, is this the question asked? Yes, this is the question asked. So how shall we solve this? We can take down like this, right? Observe closely. Now, angle A and angle D are angles formed on the same arc. Angles formed by the chords on the same arc. Am I right or wrong? Are these equal? Yes, they are equal, right? Now see, if this angle is 40, this angle will also be 40 degrees. Okay, fine. Now observe triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, AC line segment and AB line segment are same. So it is an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. So sum of the angles of a triangle will be 180. Now this is 40. Remaining is 140. Now this will be 70 and this will be 70 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now I can write down one more point here. Paritosh Mishra, is it 50? No, it is not 50 here. Now you closely observe there. AC is a chord, AB is a chord. Angle made by the chords is 40 degrees. Now see here, CB is a chord, FE is a tangent. Now angle made between the chord and tangent will be equal to angle made by the chords in the alternate segment theorem. Now this is also 40 degrees. How many of you will accept this? By this I can easily say, observe triangle BCE. In triangle BCE, this 70 degrees is nothing but external angle. External angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior most opposite angles. Now this is 40 and this will be 30 degrees. And my option is A. Perfectly done. So see, I have used alternate segment theorem. I have used the property called angle made by the chords on the same arc will be equal. Basic property of triangles, isosceles triangle. Use the same property and solve the question there. I didn't use a single data to write down on the slide there. With the basic properties only, I'm solving it, right? So try to use effectively the properties. You can solve each and every question here. Application is much more important. Let's come to the next question. I will be giving you 2 minutes. Aram se think karo. Let's see how many can solve this. Put your pen on the paper here, right? So you might not be correct in the first attempt, but check where you are going wrong. This is what you need in the practice sessions. There I will be helpful for you. In the figure given below, O is the center of the circle with radius 5 centimeter. AB is equal to AC, it seems. Angle CEB is given as 15 degrees. Then find out angle BDC is the question. Okay, sorry, I didn't start the timer there. I'll try this. Paritosh, where is Manshida Gupta today? Where is Bhavesh? Where is Pralay Mehta, Naman Mehta, Srinivas? Any students there? Regulars, please do try to hit the like button here, please, so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? Right, Aram sir, right? I am giving you 2 minutes. Put your pen on the paper. Please do try to hit the like button, those who are watching the session, so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? That's my request. 1 minute more. So trust me, out of ego or something, right? Nobody can reach me in geometry for sure. Paritosh, any answer? Seconds more. So again the same pattern. I'll just draw the diagram for you because I have used some time of you now. According to the data, what they have given is AC is equal to AB. Angle CEB is given as, so I'll take down this angles also. This is the question asked. Angle BDC is the question asked. Now this angle is given as 15 degrees, it seems. Reverse engineering. In the previous case, you are asked to find out this angle. Now this angle was given, you have to go back to the original position there. So how many of you got this idea there? Now see here, I'll go reverse engineering. I'll do the same technique. Everybody know angle D. No, it's not. Angle D and angle A will be equal. Am I right or wrong? Because A and D are the angles formed by the chords on the circumference of the circle and they are residing on the same arc. By this, I can write down one more point there. Now see here in triangle ACB, this is an isosceles triangle. So what will be this angle and what will be this angle? These two angles are same first of all. So can I write down this as, let us suppose I'll take down this as Y, I'll take down this as Y. So what will be your Y? So 2Y is nothing but equal to 180 minus X. And my Y value is nothing but equal to 180 minus X by 2. Yes, perfectly. So my Y value is nothing but 180 minus X by 2. And you closely observe there, X, this is the angle formed by the chords on the alternate segment. Now this is the angle made by the chord and the tangent, which will be equal to X only. Am I right or wrong? So my Y value is nothing but equal to X plus 15. And already I know what is my Y value. Y value is nothing but equal to 180 minus X by 2 is equal to X plus 15. So solve this, you'll get the answer there. 180 minus X is equal to 2X plus 30. Am I right or wrong? Yes. This 30 will come to this left hand side, which will become 150, right? And this will be equal to 3x. Now my X value will be how much, beta? X value will be equal to 50 degrees, and this is my answer there. Angle BDC is nothing but given as 50 degrees, and my option number A. Perfectly done, na? Reverse engineering, right? The first question, we have given the first point and we have arrived to CEB. Now CEB was given, we are arriving to BDC, right? Perfectly done. Let's come to the next question. Yes, and this is an easy question here. You can make up, you can do this in 1 minute, but I'm giving you 2 minutes for you. Let's see how many can solve this. Same data. So in the meanwhile, what I will do is I'll write down the data. No, if I write down the data, automatically you can understand this, right? Representing the data is also much more important in the examination. All the circle properties and triangle properties will be completed in this set. 5 questions are there in this set. I took it from one test series. In the figure given below, O is the center of the circle with radius 5. AB is equal to AC, it seems. Any answer? And again asking the same thing, right? Please do try to hit the like button here. 1 minute more. So coming D and E questions are literally gems, right? Those who can crack it, you will be damn sure at 99.9%. 40 seconds more. The answers. I'll write down the basic data beta, right? According to the data, AC is equal to AB. I'll write down this value there. Kaushal is saying that B. Kaushal, it is not B here. Any check where you, so I'll deal the solution there. Check where you're going wrong. That's it. Angle ACF is given as 60 degrees, it seems. Now see here, this angle is given as 60 degrees. I'll be writing down this. Fine. Now what is the question asked? Find the distance of the chord AB. Find the distance of the chord AB from the center is the question. Chalo, I'll take down like this, right? Now see here, OC is nothing but called radius of the circle. Now from the center of the circle OC, from the center of the circle, I will drop a perpendicular onto the chord AC. No, it's not D Omkareshwar. Now see, if I drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord, it will be divided into 2 equal halves. Everybody know, and this perpendicular, this will be making 90 degrees. Perfectly done. Now closely observe there. Everybody know what is the radius value. Radius value is given as 5. Okay. Now coming to the point there. Radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent perpendicularity theorem. And I know up to here 60. Now what will be this value? This value will be equal to 30. Am I right or wrong? Because 60 plus 30 total has to be 90. Perfectly done. Now how much will be this angle? This angle will be equal to 60 degrees. Will you accept with me? Yes. I'll take down this point as some x, right? OCX. Now how much will be CX value? This is what my question asked, right? So see here, this is nothing but called 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle will be in the format of 1:√3:2 format, and automatically everybody know your hypotenuse value 2 value is nothing but equal to 5. Now your 1 value will be 5/2 and your √3 value will be 5√3. 5√3 is nothing but equal to CX. 5/2 is nothing but called OX. 5 is nothing but called OC. Am I right or wrong? Now closely observe there. This is nothing but called the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. Even though if you calculate AC, AB, both are same. There is no difference between them. So my answer is 2.5. 5/2 is my answer there. Distance between center of the circle to the chord AB or AC. Both are same now. This is my answer, right? Using trigonometry. So I am against to this trigonometric values, Kaushal, right? Okay, fine. 30:60, 90 degrees, sin 30, sin 60, sin 2.5, right? We have done it. Yes, 2.5. Chalo, come to the next question, right? Let's see how many can solve this. Now, there is a circle property, there is a triangle property, there you have to use a quadratic equation all combined together in one question here. Let's see how many can solve this. Let us see how many can solve this. If the distance of the chord AB from the center is 3 centimeter and CE is 12 centimeter, then find the perimeter of triangle ACE is the question. I can draw only one point for your understanding, and that too it is given at the CX is 5 by 2 root 5 by 2 root 3. This is 5 by 2 root 3 beta. Yes. 5 by 2 root 3. Okay, fine. Now observe this question there. Do this question. That's what Omkareshwar, right? Diagram is same. I'm giving you all the dimensions. After perimeter of, that's it. Perimeter of triangle ACE. Perimeter of triangle ACE. Triangle A. Now see here, this is the point given there. Now this is AC. Triangle ACE ka perimeter. No, nothing. Okay, Abdul. Thank you. Ten seconds more. Any answer? Right. The point here is CE value is given as 12. Okay. And now what is this AB value? Now see here, I'll take down, right? If the distance of the chord AB from the center of the circle. Now see here, let us suppose like this is the distance from the center of the circle. Now I will be taking down, this is called radius. Everybody know? Yes or no? It's not A beta. Now OB value is given as 5 because this is radius. This is radius of the circle. Now everybody know this value is given as 3. Now how much this value will be, how much this value will be 4. So I'll be taken down this point as some x. Now when you drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord, it divides the chord into 2 equal halves. AB is divided into 2 equal halves. If this is 4, this will be 4. Now do you know the value of B? No. Of course AB is 8 na. Now AC will also be 8 because AC and AB are same. AB is 8 na. AC will also be 8. Perfectly done. Now what is B value? How can you find out B value? Paritesh, it is not D. Now see, we have a theorem called tangent secant theorem. How many of you know this? Tangent secant theorem. So in circles, you might have learned this theorem effectively, but I don't know about your applicative status there. So what I will do, I'll take down this as P value. So by this, what can I write? By tangent secant theorem, AE, secant value AE into tail end part which is outside the circle BE is nothing but equal to CE square. This is called your tangent secant theorem. What is your AE value? AE value is nothing but called 8 plus P. Yes, very good. 8 plus P into B value is nothing but called P, and CE value is 12, so it will be 144. So by class finally I will get a quadratic equation P square plus 8P minus 144 is nothing but equal to 0. This is not a normal quadratic equation where you can find out the roots, yes AB, where you can find out the roots by normal factorization. You have to use complex quadratic equation formula only. Minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. As we need positive value, let's find out only plus value there, 2A. Now what is your A value? A value is nothing but only 1. So I'll write down the value here. B value is 8. C value is minus 144. I'll write down here. I'll take down a slide. Wait for 1 minute. I'll take down a slide. Now, the quadratic equation is p square plus 8p minus 144 is equal to 0. So minus 8, I want only positive value. Root of b square value is 64 minus 4 into a is 1. Now c is minus 144 divided by 2a divided by 2. A value is 2. So what will be this value? Minus 8 plus root of 64. So 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 17 plus 576 divided by 2. Now closely observe there, this is nothing but how much? 580 is 640. 640 is nothing but equal to minus 8 plus 8 root 8 root 10. Am I right or wrong? Divided by 2. So finally this will be how much? Minus 4 plus 4 root 10. Done. Now I got my p value there. I got my p value. P value is minus 4 plus 4 root 10. Am I right or wrong? So now perimeter means add all those values, you will get the answer there. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 12 kitna tha? Any answer, right? 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 28 minus 4 plus 4 root 10. This will be the perimeter of triangle ACE. So finally the answer will be 24 plus 4 root 10. Done. This is the answer there. So tangent secant theorem, finding out the value and then finding out the perimeter of triangle. And option number B satisfies the answer there perfectly. Done. Last set of the question, right? Yes, B. Now let us see how many can solve this question in an innovative way, right? So mostly I'm against to the similarities of triangles and congruency of triangle properties here. Let's see how many can solve this. Waiting for the best answer. Minute more. If CE is equal to 12 centimeter and BE is equal to 9, now see, you are given with BE value. Now you are asked to find out BC by AB ratio. Okay, fine. You can solve this question easily. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. How? How? 60 degrees. So means how can you? So I don't know AB value now. Okay, I will accept this point there. In what way this will be helpful? In what way this will be helpful for the question? AB is equal to AC, then what happens? What is the question asked? Okay, chalo. AB is equal to AC. This is the point given there. I accept it, right? So I will be taking on one more line segment BC. Okay. Now your AB is equal to AC. Everybody knows CE value is given as 12. CE value is given as 12 and BE value is given as 9. Okay. Now, so see here, I will take down AB value as X. If AB value as X, AC value will also be X. Again, tangent secant theorem, AE into AE into BE is nothing but equal to CE square by tangent secant theorem. I'll be writing down the theorem also, tangent secant theorem. So find out AB AC value there. Sir, in what way this will be helpful for me, right? Let's see. So I'm taking down X na. AE value is 9 plus X. B value is nothing but equal to 9. CE is nothing but equal to 144 12 square. So this is 81 plus 9x is equal to 144. So what is 144 minus 81 beta? 63. So 9x is equal to 63 and my x value is nothing but equal to 7. Okay. So I got AB AC value there. AB is equal to AC. Now I have to find out my BC value there. Now see here, already I have explained you in the previous class itself, right? How to find out BC value. Now can anybody say what is this BC? This BC line segment is dissecting the base AE in triangle ACE. Can you say BC as median? No. Can you say CB perpendicular? No, I don't know. Can you say CB as angle bisector? No, I don't know. Can you say CB as perpendicular bisector? No, we don't know. If you don't know anything, I can take BC as CBN. So by Stewards theorem, I can find out the answer there. So see here, I have explained you in the Stewards theorem in the previous class in detail. I don't know how many of you came to my class regularly. So go to the proof, right? So I wrote the proof here itself. I'll show you. 1 second, give me one. This is the Stewards theorem there. This is the proof I have written there. So finally the theorem value is the CNC plus BMB is equal to DAT plus MAN. Of course, to remember it very easily. So I'll be taking down the same concept there. 1 second. Yes. AC is equal to 6 now. I'll take Stewards theorem there. Yes, by area you can find out by similarities of triangles also, Suraj. But I'm going in a little bit innovative way to show my knowledge here. That's it. Because this will be very easy later on also for you to find out the answer. So I'll be taking down this line segment. Observe there. This is the same diagram I'm taking. A, C, B, E. A, C, E, B. Now BE is given as 9, AB is given as 7, AC is given as 7 and CE is given as 12 and I have to find out this value there. So my theorem is, I wrote all the theorem in a easy format. CNC plus Apollonius theorem is also extracted from this. Internal angle bisector theorem is also extracted from this. DAT plus MAN. So automatically see, I'll take down this as C, I'll take down this as B, I'll take down this combined value as A, I'll take down this as M, I'll take down this as N. Let's find out the answer there. What is C value? 7. 7 into 7 is 49. So my N value is nothing but equal to 9 plus what is my B value? 12. 12 into 12 is 144. What is my M value? 7 is equal to D. I have to find out D square into how much is my A? 7 plus 9 is how much, ma? Is it 16? Yes, it is 16 plus A value is how much? 16. 16 into M into N, 7 into 9. And you closely observe there, 144 into 7 is how much, ma? 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 30, 1008 plus 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36, 44, 441. 441 is equal to 16D square. Now 16 9s are again 144. 144 into 7 will be 1008. This and this gets cancelled. So my D value will be equal to how much? 21 by 4. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. So my D value is 21 by 4. D is nothing but called BC value. and automatically I got my answer there. Come back, I'll show the answer there. BC value is nothing but equal to 21/4. AB value is nothing but how much mass? 7. So 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So my answer will be how much? Is it 3:4? Yes, it is 3:4. And this is my answer. Smooth transition. With areas it is tough, Suraj, right? With areas it might take more time to solve the question there. अब एक बार ध्यान से देखो, right? This is very easiest way, right? That's why you follow my playlist there. Certainly you can solve all those questions fatafat and easily here. Done. Chal. Let's go for the next set of questions here. Now, first question I will solve it. From next questions you can solve it very, very easily. Okay. Now, in the figure given below, A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon, it seems. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Now, if AB is given as S units, what is the point given there? GH value is the question asked. First of all, everybody know a regular hexagon is divided into 6 equilateral triangles. So, area of a regular hexagon will be equal to 6 into root 3/4 S square. As A square, of course here it is S is given there, na S square. So I'll write down how many equilateral triangles will be there here. 6 equilateral triangles will be there. Quick way is nothing but finding out similarities of triangles, Kaushal, but similarities of triangles matlab you should have strong grip in solving the questions there. This is very easiest method, right? Of course, right, some tough questions will be there. Each and every question cannot be solved in 1 minute in CAT, right? At least some 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes questions also will be there. So, chalo. Now, by this, what can I say? Everybody know in a regular hexagon, what will be the each angle there? Each angle will be 120 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Sum of the angles in the 4 into 180/6. So, 6 threes are 120. Now, 120 matlab this will be how much? 60 degrees. This will be how much? Again it will be 60 degrees. If these two are 60 degrees, this will also be 60 degrees. So by this GAB triangle is also an equilateral triangle. So this will be one equilateral triangle. This will also be same one equilateral triangle. No. This will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? Totally how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6K. Okay, fine. Let's find out this one. So this angle will be how much beta? This will be 60. Okay, some of the adjacent angles will be 180. Now this will be 120 degrees. Am I right or wrong? This will be 120 degrees. And you closely observe there, this will be 60 degrees. Am I right or wrong? This complete angle will be 120. So how much will be this? This is 120. So closely observe there. Now I will drop a perpendicular here, which will make 90 degrees with the base. Now automatically you can easily say, can you say this? What happens here? So this will be 30 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly. This will be 30 degrees. This will be 60 degrees. This part will be 60 degrees. Now closely observe there. This GB length is S. Now this will also be S. Now how much will be this part length, ma? Which is opposite to 60 degrees. This is 60, 30, 90 degrees triangle. So this will be S root 3/2. Am I right or wrong? S root 3/2. Now you are asked to find out GH length. GH length is nothing but equal to 2 into S root 3/2. So finally, what is GH length, ma? It is S root 3. B is your answer. Again, one more point. Observe this. I will be taking on this point as X. Now triangle BXH. Triangle BXH is nothing but equal to half into height of the triangle into base of the triangle will be S into root 3/2. What will be base? Base value will be S/2. So finally, so how many such triangles are there? Left and right. So can I multiply it with 2? Yes, I will multiply it with 2. Then I will get the triangle of triangle GBH triangle area I will get there. What will be triangle GBH area there? 2 and 2 gets cancelled off. So it will be root 3/4 S square. So These triangles are also equilateral triangles. Now see here, this is also equilateral. 1, this is also equilateral. 2, 3, this is also equilateral. So inside 6 equilateral triangles, outside there are 12 equilateral triangles. Am I right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. With this, I can solve each and every question fatafat here. That's what I said, the Kaushal, right? It is not equilateral triangle. This is what I said there. Now come to solve this question there. As I have solved the previous question, let's see how many can solve this. Those who understood the previous question can solve this question within 10 seconds, not more than 10 seconds. Of course, 20 seconds, let's suppose take. This question can be solved within at most 30 seconds if you understood the previous question perfectly. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Now see, I'll write down the data. So how many equilateral triangles can be formed here? 6. Now here 1 equilateral triangle. Again, this is also equilateral triangle. Done. I hope so. Now you got my point there to solve the question. Kaushal, right? यार इतना time 1 minute हो गया. Find the area of. Is it 4:1? Ved Prakash, no. No, अरे यार क्या हुआ परितोष? It's B Pallavi. Yes, very good. B is the answer here. Chal, I'll show you how. Area of the hexagon GHIJKL. GHIJKL contains how many equilateral triangles? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It contains 18 equilateral triangles. 18 into root 3 by 4 s square. Yes. Now hexagon ABCDF contains how much? 6 equilateral triangles. In the remaining cases, you have no need to write down the question also here. So everything gets cancelled off and the ratio is 3:1 and that is my answer. Bas, utna hi chahiye. Bas. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. So that's what, right? Those who understood the first question can solve the remaining questions very, very easily. Chalo, I will be giving you only 1 minute to solve this question. No 2 minutes. Let's see, shall I increase the time there? Let's see. If the area of the hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F is A square units, then you are asked to find out GKI. One minute more. B 1.5. Very good. That's an easy question, na? Shall I end the poll there? Anybody? Yes, it is 1 point. Very good. We know the data, na? There will be 6 equilateral triangles there. Area of hexagon ABCDEF is A square units. 6 parts is nothing but called A value. What is GKI? This is ABCDF. Yes. C is not ABCD. Now GKI contains 6, 7, 8, 9. So GKI is nothing but equal to 9 parts. 9 equilateral triangles. So what will be the answer there? 9a by 6, which is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but equal to 1.5a, and this is my answer. That's it. Easy enough. Let's come to the next one. How many can solve this? Last two questions, right? And then we'll go for the other set of questions. Seconds more. D, 8 is to 3. 8 is to 3 or 5 is to 3. Suraj, Kaushal, what's your answer there? Let's wait for Kaushal. Is it D for sure? Shall I end the poll there? I mean, 30 seconds is more than enough. Find the area of KABI. KABI. 6, 7, 8. KABI contains 8 equilateral triangles. IJK contains IJK. 1, 2, 3. 8 is to 3. That's it. D is the option. Very good. Excellent here. Last question. Now, this little bit takes time. Let's see, right? I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Last set of this question. 8 is to 3. So every alternative day, I will be taking a session beta. So again, the session will be on 3rd. So after geometry, let me know what you want to do, right? So I will be taking some 8 more sessions on geometry. Total be, I will be taking 432 questions here in geometry completely. Fourth, I have very good set of 430 questions. I'll do all those things on YouTube only. The answer for this, if area of triangle GAB is A square units, then find FEG area it seems. Okay, fine. No, yeah, it's not A. It's not A. So I'm the winner there. Let's see. Let's see. Triangle GAB is A square units, it seems. Find triangle FEG. So what I will do is I will take down, this is FEG triangle. Am I right or wrong? You closely observe there, FEK and FEG have a common side. This is the common side. It's not D. Have a common side. So when two triangles reside on the same base or reside on the same height, areas will be in the ratio of their heights or bases. Am I right or wrong? We have this property. Now everybody know KE value is yes. No, beta. See here, this value is nothing but equal to how much? This is A, GA is A, EA is A. I mean yes and yes. So automatically, right, their areas, triangle, area of triangle KEF divided by area of triangle FEG will be in the ratio of their sides. Am I right or wrong? KE divided by EG. Will you accept with me? KE is to EG is how much? 1 is to 2. And everybody know in the place of KEF, I can substitute GAB, triangle GAB. Will you accept with me? Because both are equilateral triangles only, then automatically your one part value is given as A square units. How much will be the two parts value is the question asked. My answer is 2A square units, and this is my answer there, B. As simple as such that. So how many of you got this logic there perfectly? Done. Exactly. Let's do one more D best question here. This question, right? This question, I'm expecting you guys to answer this question. Try this. One of the best question, right, in the recent times. So I got a question in GMAT examination, but the same question was asked in CAT also in 2018. Let's see, that was so years back. What is the answer for this? You have to draw the diagram, and then so recent updates or developments in CAT is this only, right? They are not giving diagrams. You have to draw the diagram and then you have to find out the answer. Two circles touch internally at a point called E. Chord BA of the outer circle touches the inner circle at only one point called D. The tangent at E to the outer circle meets the extended chord BA at point L. If angle EDA is equal to 40 degrees and angle EBA is equal to 20 degrees, find angle DEA is the question asked. No answer for this. Expected answer for this now. So I'll draw the diagram there, then you can understand this. Two circles touch internally at a point called E, it seems. So this is the point called E. Near the point. Chord BA of the outer circle. Now see here, touches the inner circle at only one point called D. Now see here, this is nothing but called chord. Or otherwise I'll take down like this. You can take down anything like this. So this is chord AB. This is chord AB, and it touches the inner circle. This is the chord to outer circle and touches at only one point called D. Okay, fine. Any other point? The tangent E to the outer circle meets the extended chord BA at point L, it seems. So this is a chord, tangent called E, and this will meet extended called here. Is it A? No, yeah, it's not A. And this is called L, it seems. So this is the diagram exactly. And again, what is the point given there? Angle EDA. Now EDA. Okay. Okay. Now I have to take down chord BA, not AB chord, na? Not chord AB. It is BA chord. So this is B. This is A. Okay. Now the point here is angle EBA is nothing but equal to 20 degrees, it seems. Okay, I'll write down here. Any other point given there? Angle EDA. This is angle EDA. I'll write down in red ink. EDA is 40 degrees, it seems. Okay, fine. Now, what is the question asked? Triangle DEA. DEA. Chalo. I'll draw a line segment from E to A. So, how can I prove this? How can I prove this? Now, observe there one point. E is an external point beta. E is an external point. From E external point, I have drawn a line segment which is EL and they go LD. And these are nothing but called tangents to the inner circle. Am I right or wrong? These are nothing but called tangents to the inner circle. When I draw two tangents from an external point onto the circle, these two tangents will be of equal length. So EL and LD. So observe triangle EDL. Observe triangle EDL. EDL. This is an isosceles triangle. Am I right or wrong? LD will be equal to EL. EL will be equal to LD. By this, what can I say? These are nothing but called equal sides, and the angles opposite to equal sides will also be equal. Now this is 40 degrees. Remaining is 140. Okay, am I missing out anything there? Yes, I am right now. This is 40. Now this angle completely will be 40 degrees. Am I right or wrong? This angle completely will be 40 degrees. Now, what is the point given there? Now, you are asked to find out this one, DEA, this value, sorry. This angle completely is 40 degrees. Now, closely observe there. 20 degrees is nothing but angle formed by the two chords in a circle, which is nothing but 20. Now, EA is nothing but called chord and EL is nothing but called tangent. It is by alternate segment theorem, angle made by the chord and the tangent will be equal to angle made by the chords in the alternate segment. This is 20. Now this part will be 20 because totally it is 40. Now what is the question asked? DEA. Now this is the question asked. DEA value is how much? 20 degrees, and my option is D. Kaushal gave me the answer there. Very good. I got the point there. I have used alternate segment theorem in order to solve this question there. As simple as such that. I am not writing any things on the board here. With only simple properties I am solving. Done. Yes, Kaushal, it is D. Chalo, fine. Let's solve one more last question. Then we will continue tomorrow. Try this question there and let me know the answer. What is the area of the triangle ABC is the question asked. 2 minutes. The same question was asked in CAT examination in 2018. Similar type. Pallavi, how it is 20? So, बेटा देखो माँ AEL. अब देखो AE is nothing but called chord. Am I right or wrong? EL is nothing but called tangent. Angle made by the chord and tangent will be equal to angle made by the chords in the alternate segment. This is 20. Alternate angle will be AEL only na alternate segment theorem. This is what I have done there. Got the point there? Will be again restarting it. 1 minute more. Any answer for this? In the figure, triangle ABC is a ABC is a triangle, and AB is the diameter of the circle. AD is equal to AC by 3. AD is equal to AC by 3. Okay, BE is equal to BC by 4. Then what is the area of the triangle? In seconds more. Answer for this. Observe there. I will be writing down one point. Now, what is this? AD is equal to AC by 3, it seems. Let us suppose take if my AC value is X. Now, my AD value will be 3X. Am I right or wrong? You accept with me? Yes. So, finally, what can I do? So, no. So, I have changed it. One second. AD is equal to AC by 3. So, if I take down this as X and this will be 3X. Am I right or wrong? Just for the sake of convenience. Now, my AD value will be X. How much will be my DC value? Will it be 2X remaining value? Let's come to the same thing. B by BC, right? I'll take down B as Y value. Now, what will be my BC value? BC value will be 4Y. Only it becomes this one, right? So B value is Y matlab. What will be CE value? CE value will be 3Y. Now, it should come in ratio regarding something, right? So what is the answer finally there? So what I will do is, now see here, AB is diameter na, AD is a chord on the circle. I will draw one more chord from D to B. Everybody know when I draw two chords with respect to the diameter of the circle, and when these two chords meet on the circumference of the circle, so by Thales theorem, angle formed will be 90 degrees. Will you accept with me? And the same case is applicable here also, AE. Okay, fine. So in what way this will be helpful? You are asked to find out ABC area, it seems here. I have one more point in secants, right? If you closely observe there, AC and CB are secants to the circle and they are meeting at external point. So automatically AC by secant properties, AC into tail end part which is outside the circle DC is nothing but equal to BC into B. Am I right or wrong? Not B, C. Tail end part outside the circle. Now, how much is AC value? AC value is 3x. How much is DC value? X. Okay. AC value is 3x. It's perfectly done. Now, how much is BC value? BC value is nothing but equal to 4y into CE value is nothing but how much? 3y. Sorry ma. I wrote one mistake here. This is DC is not x na. Here nobody is saying me. DC is 2x. So finally I can write down this as 6x square is equal to 12y square. So by this I can find out a relationship there. X square is equal to 2y square. Finally I can write down this. So I'll find out any of this value BD or AE. I can find out anything there. Let's suppose I'll take down one point there. AE square is one perpendicular side plus EB square is nothing but equal to AB square. Am I right or wrong? So I'll take, what is my AE value? Everybody know. So diameter of the triangle is nothing, anything given there. Anything that we have missed out in the data beta? AB is a triangle A above. So AB length was missing now. That's what AB length is given as 30. 30. This is the missing point there. I hope so. I am getting. See here. AB is 30. I have removed the diagram there. Okay, now I got this. AB is 30. Okay. Done. So by this, what can I write down? AE is equal to root of 900 minus, is it y square? Similarly, if I want to find out DB or BD, BD value will be how much, ma? Root of 900 minus. Okay. Fine. I thought you are saying the final values were. Sorry. Now, what shall we find out there? Area of triangle ABC. This is what the question asked. Area of triangle ABC. What will be the answer there? Half into. I can take down BD as height. If I take down BD as height, AC will be the base. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So by this, what can I do? Half into, already I know my BD value as root of 900 minus x square is equal to into, how much is my AC value? 3x. So if I find out x value, then my answer is done. How can I find out my x value there? So see here, I know triangle BDC, already you have taken this now. So in triangle BDC, observe triangle BDC, these are perpendicular sides. Already you know your BD value. BD square is nothing but equal to 900 minus x square plus, now see here, what will be DC value? 2x means 4x square is equal to, what will be the perpendicular side? Perpendicular side is nothing but called CB square. So I'll write down here BD square plus DC square is nothing but equal to CB square. How much is CB value there? BC value is 4y. So automatically this becomes 4y whole square. Done. So finally, what will be the answer there? 900 plus 3x square is equal to 16y square. So 16y square in the place of x, 16y square minus 3x square is equal to 900. So closely observe there, 2y square is equal to x square. This is nothing but 8 into 2y square is nothing but equal to how much? X square. X square minus 3x square is equal to 900. 5x square, x square is equal to 900 by 5. What will be x value, ma? Is it 6 root 5? 180 will be the value there. 180 is nothing but equal to 36 into 5. So merely substitute this value here, you will get the answer there. 6 root 5, 180. 900 minus 180 is how much? 720. 1 by 2 into root of 720 into this is nothing but 3 into 6 root 5. So solve this, you will get the answer. So I have given the procedure there, a little bit lengthier one, but you have to solve in this way only. 6 root 5, yes, done. The remaining things you will substitute there and you will get the option there, right? Done. So how are the questions today? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll be coming up with some more the best questions. I hope so. Let us continue in the next class. So I hope so you like the question series there. As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock free classes on Unacademy. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats on Unacademy. So the price for plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. And for Iconic, yes, these are the prices, right? On this prices, you will be getting 10% discount when you use my code NLN10. So those who are aiming at only test series, yes, do try to subscribe to this GATE Lite subscription where you'll be getting DPPs, right? Sectional test, comprehensive test series. And yes, try to join this community feature here. I'm forwarding the notes to this community features. I'm interacting with you. I'm answering all your doubts there. Do try to talk with me regarding your subject there. So we will have a very good interaction there. And yes, do try to join my special classes. My special classes has very huge crowd here. My strategy sessions, right? My opportunities, campus placement strategies, right? Everything was blockbuster, and the interaction will be 10x more there on this YouTube channels. And yes, please do try to hit the like button, share my class if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDFs, and hit the bell icon to get the updates regarding the classes there. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.